Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is April 24th, 2025, and we're diving into Reliance's first quarter 2025 financial results. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Reliance has reported some interesting numbers this quarter, and I'm excited to break them down with you.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Reliance reported net sales of $3.48 billion for the first quarter of 2025, with record tons sold, up 9% year over year. John, what does this tell us about the company's performance?
These figures indicate strong organic growth and effective execution of their strategic initiatives. The increase in tons sold, particularly on a same-store basis, reflects Reliance's ability to capture market share and benefit from acquisitions made in 2024. The gross profit margin of 29.7% is also noteworthy, showing their efficiency in managing costs and optimizing sales.
And how did they fare in terms of earnings per share?
Reliance reported an adjusted EPS of 377 cents, which beat the analysts' forecast of 366. This is a clear indication of their strong operational performance and ability to exceed market expectations.
Operational efficiencies and strategic initiatives. Reliance has been active in capital allocation, with significant share repurchases and a dividend increase. Can you elaborate on these strategic moves?
Absolutely. Reliance repurchased $253.2 million worth of common stock, reducing outstanding shares by approximately 2%. This move not only returns value to shareholders, but also signals management's confidence in the company's future prospects. Additionally, the 9.1% increase in their quarterly dividend to $1.20 per share underscores their commitment to providing consistent returns to investors.
What about their cash flow situation?
While cash flow from operations was $64.5 million, which is lower than previous quarters, it's important to note that this includes a typical seasonal investment in working capital. Reliance continues to generate strong cash flow, which supports their flexible capital allocation strategy.
Market dynamics and future outlook. Let's discuss the market dynamics. How is Reliance positioned across its various end markets?
Reliance is seeing improved demand in non-residential construction, which is their largest end market by tons. This is supported by ongoing construction projects in sectors like data centers and energy infrastructure. However, the semiconductor market remains depressed due to excess inventory, which could impact their performance in this segment.
And what can we expect moving forward?
Reliance anticipates stable demand across its diversified end markets in the second quarter of 2025. They expect tons sold to be consistent with seasonal trends, supported by healthy demand in non-residential construction. The company is also optimistic about pricing improvements, which should support their gross profit margins.
Leadership commentary and strategic vision. What insights did we gain from the leadership's commentary on these results?
Karla Lewis, the CEO, emphasized the resilience of Reliance's business model and their focus on smart, profitable growth. She highlighted their ability to ship record tons and expand gross profit margins, which drove their earnings per share beyond expectations. The leadership remains confident in their strategic efforts to regain market share and maximize earnings power.
It sounds like Reliance is well positioned for the future.
Indeed, their strategic vision and operational execution are key strengths that should continue to drive their performance in the coming quarters.
Key takeaways. In summary, Reliance has delivered a strong first quarter with impressive sales and earnings figures. Their strategic initiatives and market positioning are driving growth and profitability. John, any final thoughts on their investment prospects?
Reliance's ability to exceed expectations and their proactive capital allocation strategies make them an attractive investment. Their focus on growth and profitability, coupled with a strong market presence, positions them well for future success.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Reliance's performance in the comments below.